Hey everybody, welcome to my closet. Hey Posh bosses, I am coming to you guys at 9:41 p.m. on a Monday night from my closet because this is the only place that I can be alone. Summer feels a lot like that. Summer feels a lot like everyone is constantly here in my face, talking to me, needing something from me. And you guys, it is super hard to plug into business when everybody is needing something, right? So how can you be an effective worker and do work that you're proud of when you're so busy, it feels like the only place you can be alone is sitting amongst your clothes? So how can you fit your work into summertime with all of the schedule changes and all of the excuses as to why you should be not working your business, or all of the things that require your attention that aren't your business? Well, it's my personal belief that Posh should fit where it fits. And sometimes that means doing 5 minutes of work hiding in your bathroom, or hiding here, or outside on a lawn chair while your kids are playing, or at the chair at the pool. You have to make Posh fit where it fits. So hosts might give you a hard time during the summer because, like us, they are busy. So things might change and parties might get rescheduled, and things might not work out as you had planned them. How can you roll with it? You should always have some ideas tucked away in your back pocket. Create 2 lists. One of tasks that you can do in 5 minutes, like following up on orders or samples, like checking in with your teammates, like following up with someone that ordered 5 or 6 months ago that might have fallen off your radar. And then your second list should be things that you can do in case things don't go right. You don't have to use them all the time. You just have them hanging out handy in your back pocket to pull out if things aren't going right. So what are some of those things? How about a flash sale of stock that you've been sitting on? Or mystery bags. That's always one of my very favorite things to do with my customers. Or a battle of the hosts where you pit 2 friends against one another and see who can get more orders. Or an ingredients class. Highlight a favorite ingredient of yours, like honey or CBD or peppermint or kale and clay. Something that you can go to the ingredients tab in the VO in the Academy, learn about and teach your customers, and then highlight the products that use those ingredients. Guys, summer doesn't have to mean that we just check out of our business and don't show up. Summer is the time to adjust how you work and make Posh fit where it fits, okay? You don't have to check out. You can work in 5-minute increments. You don't have to check out. You can work by the pool. You don't have to check out. You can work while your kids are playing in the backyard, or gosh, send follow-ups via text while you're walking the dog. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. Make Posh fit where it fits. And literally, like, I'm not kidding, as I'm sitting here in my bedroom closet, I can hear at least 2 people in this house that need me. So I'm gonna go, but listen to me and take my advice, you guys. Just roll with it, okay? If things are hard, find little pockets of time to work. If things aren't turning out as you planned, grab for one of those ACEs, those just in cases, and use them. Utilize something new and fun that'll get some attention and that'll help you reach your goals, okay? I believe in you. I know you guys can do it. Good luck. See you soon. Like, who even folds my laundry? It's me. Or something else that's great. Oof. It's 10 till 10, and I know exactly where my kids are.